Hi everyone! Today we are going to make pearl balls, a type of Chinese dim sum. They are meatballs coated with glutinous rice and are easy to make. This dish is considered a holiday or special occasion dish and is often served during the Chinese New Year, celebrations, or for birthdays. Let's get started. To prepare, soak 3/4 of a cup of white glutinous rice in a bowl for about 24 hours. I also soaked 3/4 of a cup of black glutinous rice to make black pearl balls. In a strainer, drain the rice and leave it to dry for an hour. You'll need to mince a piece of ginger. Also mince green onion, and add that to a bowl of ground pork along with the ginger. Now mince an onion, enough for 1/3 of a cup, and add that to the bowl as well. Next, add the salt, cornstarch, Chinese cooking wine, light soy sauce, and the sugar. Mix them thoroughly. Then form them into about 25 balls. On a plate, spread the rice into a thin and even layer. Roll each ball over the rice so that it receives an even coating. Once the pearl balls are prepared, place them into a steamer. You can use the same method to make the black glutinous rice pearl balls as well. To cook them, heat up the steamer, making sure to fill it with water beforehand. Once the water is boiling, steam the meatballs over high heat for about 10 minutes. The meatballs will be done when the rice coating becomes transparent. The black pearl balls need to steam longer, for about 25 minutes in total. Serve them hot. They are positively delectable. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.